Hello everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a little bit of a review and a look at this Top Gun Technologies Quad 5 10-meter radio. Now, I'm sure many of you have had these, seen these, and some have not, so we just thought we'd do a little review on it. First, I want you to notice similarities. Yeah, it's the same radio as the AT5555, also known as the Quad 5 by Anytone. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Tomorrow's technology today. I like how they box things. They've got a real nice colorful manual here. What I really like is the menu guide. It's got a menu guide here. It's laminated. Tells you all about everything, how to navigate it. I'll hold this here just in case someone has one and they need to screenshot it. Great talking little rigs, AM and sideband, and FM. We're going to pause the video and get this out of the box and be right back. Alright, we're back. I mean, I think it's a good looking radio. It's different, but I kind of like the black with the orange. There are prettier radios out there, yeah. But this thing is loaded with all the features. It's a dual MOSFET radio. And we'll open that up in a minute and take a look at that. Nice big display. I mean, I don't know why more of them aren't sold, unless it's because of availability. You know, they're not the easiest to get. I know there's some sites are showing that they've been discontinued. I got a case of them in the other day, in a partial case. I think I got like 6 or 7 left. I did put them on the site last week. I've sold 3 of them, and they all set up real nice and clean. You know, you got your function here. You got a Roger beep, noise blanker, all these other features here. Scan. There's a high cut filter, SWR, timeout protection. There's your AM, FM, upper sideband, lower sideband, CW and PA. We're going to go up here and just see what it's doing. The RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug here. Hello, hello, hello. So we're just barely twitching forward average power. And there's your peaks. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2 is talking to about 12. I'm going to roll it all the way up. So there we're keying 10. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. Talking about 50. But what I'm looking at here is the bird watts. It's just barely twitching forward off 10 watts, so we're going to fix that up. Over here to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Seeing 55 watt peaks, and you know, talking about 5 to 10 bird average. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's your clarifier. You can make different amounts of shifts here. You can adjust that there. Just a really nice radio. Let's just get the covers off, take a look at it. I'm going to power it down and be right back. Alright, we got the covers off. Speaker wires desoldered. And here's the inside. Yep, surface mount. Exactly what to expect. Means virtually no cold solder joints to worry about. There's your RF 520s. Your AM regulator over there. Looks like that can be upgraded. Your DC buffer cap and your audio buffer caps. They're both 1,000, so that's not too bad, but we'll bump them up to some 22s and 3300s. Yeah, good looking inside, clean. Normally I'd say this could be a little beefier, but we're just going to see these wires. We're going to see how our output looks without changing that out. See what we got. Okay, well, let's get it converted and start working on it. We shall return. All right, and we're back. Got the conversion here done. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade. It's ready to go. This exact unit right here is heading out to California, and he's going to be running it on a 19 amp power supply that I've provided him with. So let's just look at a few functions here first. First, push and hold function. Here, I'll put this here so we can follow along. First thing is the mic gain. It's 0 to 63, so for tuning purposes I had it on 63. The next thing is your talk back. Then you have the CW side volume, the button beep, your clarifier steps. You could set the clarifier to just turn receive or transmit and receive, or just transmit. And then you have the clarifier push default. Auto squelch. And the list just keeps going on and on. We got the transmit timer. Then you got SWR protection. You've got your transmit frequency display and so forth. I mean, this thing is loaded, but you don't have to really fool with any of this stuff. I really like the echo here.
1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Break, break.
Of course, you can take and crank it up. So,
hello, four.
You know, you can.
1 2 4.
Quite annoying. So we're going to go ahead and shut the talk back off. And note that I am running a Superstar mic on this, 4-pin. Not a noise canceling, and there was no feedback at all with the mic gain wide open. Pretty awesome. Alright, so let's just get right to it. You've seen what it did beforehand. Let's see the after. 50 watt slug. Just a hair under a 1 watt dead key all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 10 watt carrier. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. Oh, 30 watts or better. Pretty doggone good. 100 watt slug PEP. Hello. 62 PEP. Over to FM. 35 watts all the way up. And you roll it down just about to nothing. Over to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. It's about 45 average and about 60 peak. And again, I'm not sure why there are not more of these out there, unless it's just because they're hard to get your hands on them. But I mean, they're super good rigs, big display, got all the options. But you know, so many people are, you know, hung up on the name Galaxy, Ranger, RCI, and so forth. Which, don't get me wrong, there's some really nice RCIs out there. Strikers are among some of my favorites as well. But this is a really good radio, and whether you're going to be putting it in a big truck, farm truck, use it as a base station with one of these stands I sell. It's got a little lip on it back there. So then I'll put the link in the description. Okay, well, we're going to get this radio out to Dan in California, and I hope you found this informational, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.